Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, February 27th, and normally I upload a video today, but I don't have anything filmed. So I just worked a few days in a row, and before that I was in Halifax with my mom, my sister, and my two friends. I found my wedding dress, so that's exciting, but I didn't film anything. So what I'm going to do is just take you grocery shopping with me today. We're gonna clean out the fridge and clean out the pantry, and I'll show you before and afters as we go. I like watching this kind of thing on YouTube, so hopefully you like watching it too. But our fridge is kind of empty after not being at the grocery store for over a week. What I did yesterday before I went to work, I made up a rough list. I looked over the flyers to see what's on sale, and I think I'm going to go to No Frills and Walmart. So I have a little No Frills list and then Walmart. What I like to do before I go is clean out the fridge, and then I have a better idea of something I might need, or clean out the pantry, and then it might make me realize, oh, we ran out of this. So let's start out with cleaning the fridge. Okay, so I'm gonna give you exactly what my fridge looks like. I didn't clean it at all. It's pretty empty. So we still have some Fresca and Seamus's Pepsi, and then I have milk, which is expired. I did some Valentine's Day baking last week, so I have some stuff that might be expired. This is expired, there's not much left. I keep a Brita of water because I don't like tap water. This is expired as well. I think all of these are going to be expired except these eggs. Yep, those are still good. And this is expired too. Let's see. Orange juice is still good until March. Okay, so these three drawers, we keep pasta and rice. This is like snacks, and then this is like canned goods. So this bin is all pasta and then rice. We do like to use these, and they are on sale at Walmart, so we'll probably pick some of those up. And I do have some pasta sauce up here as well that I got on sale a few weeks ago. I have Kraft Dinner and lasagna noodles, and then minute rice over there. So we're pretty good for this stuff. I'm just gonna get a few more things of Uncle Ben's rice, and if the pasta sauce is on sale, I might get a couple of those. The next drawer down is where we keep our snacks, and it is a big mess. So I'm just gonna take everything out and just show you what we get rid of. Back from the grocery store, we went to No Frills and Walmart. I didn't film much in either of them because it was insane. I don't know what's going on. There was a lot of old people going really slow up and down the aisles. Okay, so I'll start off with what we got at Walmart. I got 2 of these salads, spring mix. They come with like cranberries, almonds, and apples, and they're the cheapest at Walmart compared to the other grocery stores. Bag of broccoli. Bag of baby carrots. I got a couple apples. The Uncle Ben's microwavable rice was on sale, so I got 4 of those. Picked up a pack of strawberries, And then grapes. The grapes were supposed to be on sale, I thought, but these definitely weren't on sale. These grapes were $7.92. There's not even that many in there, so that's annoying. Got this bag of Crispers. I was originally going to get 4 of the smaller bags, but I picked up the wrong one, so I just got the 1. Carton of eggs. Probably should have got 2 of these. This is my favorite chocolate bar. It's the Cadbury Milk Mini Eggs bar. Got one of those. Got another container of orange juice. We needed sandwich baggies. I probably could have got them at the dollar store, but I wasn't going to another place. Dishwasher pods. I got 2 of these Healthy Choice steamers. I like to take them to work if we don't have any leftovers. And sometimes when we don't have much food in the fridge, I like to have them for lunch at home. And then a package of pudding. Seamus got a case of Pepsi. Is that all the Walmart stuff? No frills. I got these bagels because they were 2 for $5. I'll just put them in the freezer. A pack of peppers. Mushrooms. Blueberries and raspberries. 2 cucumbers. I got this bag of Cheetos popcorn. I think it's new. And then cheese strings. Package of gluten-free pasta. 2 packages of granola bars. Some fruit to go. Then I got 2 bags of goldfish because they were on sale. And then I wanted to try this Dawn Platinum Easy Squeeze. Seamus got these Swiss Chalet ribs. They're like fully cooked. You just heat them up in 10 minutes, it says. I got a package of frozen vegetables. Avocados. Package of chicken. Shaved turkey breast. A Diet A&W root beer. We got another thing of ketchup. This is my favorite salsa.
Sauce or salsa?
This salsa is our favorite because it has no onions in it. And this pasta sauce was on sale for 99 cents, so we got 2 of those. And that's it. So total at the 2 grocery stores, we spent $207. Some of this stuff will last us for a couple weeks. Alright, so all the groceries are away. I'll just show you the fridge. I just stocked up Seamus's pop, and I do have more Fresca downstairs. I just have to go grab it. I didn't end up buying any milk because Seamus and I don't drink tea and coffee, and he hasn't been having cereal lately, so all I got at the grocery store for drinks was orange juice, and then I just drink the water and Fresca. I put all of our fruit ready to go in these containers. We tend to eat it quicker that way, and then it doesn't go bad. So strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and grapes. And then my salads here, Seamus's eggs, turkey breast, the ribs Seamus is going to cook tomorrow. I'm going to cook this chicken right now with the vegetables that I just cut up. And then we have the extra vegetables here. And then all I have in this drawer right now is a couple apples. And then in the bottom, just have the cheese strings, my Laughing Cow cheese, mozzarella, and then butter and everything here. So I'm just gonna pop these in the oven and cook the chicken, and I'll show you when they're all done.